Well, Hans Rosling spent his life not only understanding global health and how things were improving, but sharing that in this fun, clear way.
When some people think about the world and its future, they panic. My name is Hans Rosling. I'm a statistician that, no, don't switch off.
He would compare Sweden in the past with some of the poor countries today. He would show very important insights about how things have changed. And that's culminated in this book called Factfulness. It's a collaboration between him and his son Ola and daughter-in-law Anna. He was always criticizing the word developed and developing, but for the first time in this book, he teaches you a categorization of 4 tiers that is super helpful and associates it with things like tier 1, no bike, tier 2, bike, tier 3, some cars in the picture, tier 4, a lot of cars, too many cars. You can actually call into your head a set of pictures that Anna in particular has made about, oh, that's your house, that's your kitchen, that's your toilet, at those 4 levels of wealth. And that helps you understand that the average person is getting a lot wealthier, and he helps you frame whenever a plane falls out of the sky, versus other deaths, it gets ridiculously more coverage. The things that cause that distortive effect of news, he's putting it onto the individual to step back and have a certain framework that helps you slot in the news. This is one of the most educational books I've ever read. It covers a space that it's not easy to go learn about. The world would be better if literally millions of people read the book. I give it my highest recommendation.